Do you make these mistakes in your Python code? Maybe you are to write a function that returns a sentence for several times. For example, I love Python, and you should return it for 10 times. Most people will write it this way: defining a function, show some love, declaring the text variable or receiving it as a parameter, using for loops, I in range 10, then text is equal to text plus I love Python. Then they will return the text, which will still give you the result. But this is what you should do. Define a function, show some love, either with parameter or declare the text variable I love Python. Return it this way: text plus empty string with a space, close the bracket, multiply it by 10. Do this for code efficiency.